Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y28s 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And you can see it will send you in a Vivo fast boot mode. You can see it will send you in Vivo fast boot mode. Now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see Vivo 5G recovery. So you can see install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Simply tap on clear data. So you can see clear cache, clear all data, tap on clear all data. So guys, here you can see all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now tap on OK. And you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device. Kindly wait. And you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return, and now simply go back to the recovery mode, and here you can see on bottom, tap on restart, and you can say restart your device, tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern used previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y28 as 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.